Could Apple be about to shrink your tech obsession onto your finger? Rumors are swirling that the tech giant is cooking up an Apple Ring, a tiny wearable that could do everything from tracking your health to controlling your devices and maybe even more. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. While Apple hasn't officially announced anything, the patent trail paints a tantalizing picture. Back in 2019, Apple filed for a wearable electronic ring computing device, essentially a mini Apple Watch with a tiny touchscreen, biometric sensors, and even a microphone. Later patents added gesture controls, letting the Ring manage Apple TVs, iPhones, Macs, and other gadgets with just a flick of your finger. Apple has even explored wearable devices beyond rings like anklets and lanyards, but don't expect a launch anytime soon. Apple tipster Mark Gurman claimed in 2024 that there were no near-term plans, and Aurea CEO Tom Hale had the same thoughts, pointing out that a ring might eat into Apple Watch sales. Yet, experts aren't convinced as the watch rules out a ring. It's sleeker, and with longer battery life, and smart rings are a different beast entirely. Samsung's own attempts prove the market exists. Another trusted leaker hints that a ring-type wearable is still in development alongside several other secret Apple projects. So while the Apple Ring hasn't made it to the stage yet, don't count it out. Apple is likely waiting until the design, features, and price are perfect, and when it does arrive, it could be the ultimate tiny tech revolution on your hand. Are you looking forward to it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. The Samsung Galaxy Ring just got hotter. More sizes, sleep apnea detection, and, wait for it, non-Galaxy Android vibes. This tiny tracker is out to steal your wrist thunder. Stick around to see why it's trending again. What's up, tech fam? Samsung Galaxy's Ring is back in the spotlight, bigger, smarter, and ready to flex. We're unpacking the latest scoop from Gadgets 360 and the X-Buzz. Let's dive in. First, the glow up. Samsung's expanding the Galaxy Ring size range, now 5 to 15, so it fits more fingers perfectly. Launched in 24, this 2.3-gram titanium gem tracks sleep, heart rate, and activity. But the big news? Advanced sleep apnea detection's dropping soon, spotting breathing hiccups overnight. Apparently, it's a game changer for subtle health tech, and X is buzzing about Samsung teasing compatibility beyond Galaxy phones. Hello, all Android squad. Why is this a vibe? Because it's sleek. Ditch bulky smartwatches for a ring that's there 24/7. Sleep apnea is a silent beast. 25% of guys might have it undiagnosed. This could nudge you to a doctor without the clunk. At $399, no subscription, it's battling Aura head-on. Non-Galaxy Android hints, that's Samsung saying, "We see you, Pixel and OnePlus fans." 7-day battery still a flex. Charge it, forget it. 2025's looking wild. More sizes roll out soon. Sleep apnea hits mid-year, and broader Android support? Fingers crossed for unpacked reveals. Could this be your next wearable? It's subtle, smart, and trending for a reason. Are you sold? Galaxy Ring or bust? Drop your take in the comments. Best smart rings in 2025 bring discreet health tracking to your finger without the bulk of traditional fitness wearables. With tech giants like Samsung entering the market, smart rings are now more advanced than ever. We've tested over 200 fitness trackers, so we know exactly what makes a great smart ring. Today, we're sharing our top picks for the best smart rings of 2025. 1. Samsung Galaxy Ring. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Samsung's first smart ring is a game changer, rivaling the Aurea ring with incredible comfort and battery life. It's small, light, and designed for seamless sleek tracking. If you pair it with a Samsung smartwatch, the battery lasts even longer. While it comes at a premium price, it's the ultimate choice for early adopters. 2. Aurea Ring 4. Next, the Aurea Ring 4, a fan favorite and one of the best sleep trackers out there. It gives deep insights into your restfulness, sleep trends, and recovery. Plus, its redesigned app makes tracking even easier, though the ongoing subscription cost is a downside. 3. Ultra Human Ring Air. If you want the lightest ring available, check out the Ultra Human Ring Air. Weighing just 2.4 gram to 3.6 gram, it's packed with sensors for heart rate, sleep, and skin temperature tracking. Its sleek design looks great, but we found the matte black version prone to scratching. 4. Ringcon Gen 2. For unbeatable battery life, the Ringcon Gen 2 lasts up to 12 days on a single charge. It's ultralight, tracks sleep apnea, and delivers simple, easy-to-read health scores. While it's pricier than the first gen model, it's a fantastic upgrade. 5. Ringcon Smart Ring. Looking for a budget-friendly option? The Ringcon Smart Ring offers premium features without a subscription subscription fee. It tracks heart rate, CO2, movement, and sleep, though its app can feel a bit cluttered. Still, it's a great value alternative to the Oura Ring. How to choose the right smart ring. Before buying a smart ring, consider 1. Your needs. Are you focused on sleep tracking, fitness, or payments? 2. Design. Look for a style and weight that suits you. 3. Features. Some rings, like the circular ring, even offer haptic feedback. Still unsure? Most brands offer free sizing kits so you can test the fit before committing. That wraps up our top picks for the best smart rings in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. The Oura Ring 4 is here, and it's more important than ever with increasing competition from the Samsung Galaxy Ring, Ultra Human, Ring-Con, and Circular. To stay ahead, Oura has refined its design, improved tracking accuracy, introduced new metrics, and extended battery life compared to the Gen 3. The Oura Ring 4 keeps its signature sleek look with 6 finishes: silver, black, brushed silver, stealth, gold, and rose gold. Silver and black are the most affordable, while gold and rose gold are the premium options. A new etching on the ring serves as a guide to ensure the sensors are correctly positioned, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Ring. The sensor platform now sits more discreetly, and the interior is fully encased in titanium, making it more comfortable to wear. The new design is fully circular, aligning with rival rings, but still maintains a unique premium look. However, like previous models, it's still prone to scratches, though less so than Ultra Human's ring, but not as resistant as Samsung's. For sizing, Oura now offers sizes 4 through 15, an expansion from Gen 3 6 to 13. Due to design tweaks, Oura recommends testing a ring for at least 24 hours to ensure the best fit. The Oura Ring 4 tracks sleep, steps, stress, heart health, and temperature, powered by a new optical sensor platform for improved accuracy across various skin tones and finger shapes. However, a monthly or annual subscription is required for full access to insights. The readiness metric remains a key feature, helping users determine whether they should take it easy or push through their day. Heart rate tracking has improved, especially during exercise, but it's still not as reliable as a chest strap. While it detects workouts well and integrates with Strava, it's best for steady pace exercises rather than intense HIIT sessions. Sleep tracking is where Oura truly excels. Compared to Samsung's Galaxy Ring and Garmin's sleep tracking, the Oura Ring 4 delivers strong, reliable data. It also tracks daytime stress, helping users understand when and why stress levels rise throughout the day. Additional features include caffeine intake tracking, cardiovascular age insights, and a symptom radar. Oura remains the only smart ring manufacturer supported by the FDA-approved Natural Cycles app for cycle tracking, making it a standout choice for some users. The Oura app is now more feature-packed but remains user-friendly, offering engaging insights at a glance. Battery life is improved, lasting up to 8 days depending on usage and ring size. Smaller sizes, like our size 8, typically last closer to 5 days, especially with blood oxygen sensing enabled. While better than the Gen 3's battery, it's still outperformed by Ring-Con's 12-day battery and Samsung's Galaxy Ring, which lasts about a week. Charging is done via a cradle, taking 20 to 80 minutes depending on battery level. The design has been slightly upgraded, but Samsung and Ring-Con's portable charging cases still offer a more convenient solution. The Oura Ring 4 is available through Oura's website, as well as retailers like John Lewis in the UK and Amazon and Best Buy in the US. Prices start at $349 for silver and black, $399 for brushed silver and stealth, and $499 for gold and rose gold. The required subscription adds $5.99 per month or $69.99 annually. Compared to rivals, Samsung's Galaxy Ring costs $399 with no subscription. Other options like the Ultra Human Ring Air, Circular Smart Ring Slim, and Ring-Con Gen 2 offer subscription-free alternatives at competitive prices. If you want a stylish, comfortable smart ring with great sleep tracking and an engaging app experience, the Oura Ring 4 is a top contender. Compared to the Gen 3, it offers better battery life, improved heart rate tracking, and a more comfortable fit. However, if battery life is your priority, the Ring-Con Gen 2 lasts longer. And if you want to avoid subscriptions, there are more affordable alternatives. While not perfect in every category, the Oura Ring 4 remains one of the best smart rings available today.